The blue and yellow macaw, Era ararana, is a vibrant and striking parrot native to the rainforests of South America. Renowned for its brilliant plumage, this macaw is a riot of color with deep cobalt blue feathers covering most of its body, contrasting vividly with the sunny yellow patches on its wings and tail. Their facial area is adorned with a bare, white skin patch that encircles their eyes, giving them a distinctive and expressive appearance. Known for their intelligence and social nature, blue and yellow macaws are often found in pairs or small flocks. They form strong bonds with their mates, engaging in mutual grooming and displaying a remarkable level of communication through squawks, screeches, and body language. These macaws are powerful flyers, and their strong, hooked beaks are adapted for cracking nuts and seeds. Unfortunately, their captivating beauty has made them popular in the exotic pet trade, leading to conservation concerns. Habitat loss and illegal trapping further threaten their populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitats and address the challenges they face, ensuring the survival of these magnificent birds in the wild. The turquoise-browed motmot, Hummingibird superciliosa, is a stunning bird found in Central America, known for its distinctive and enchanting appearance. This medium-sized bird boasts a striking combination of colors, with a turquoise crown, black mask, and a vibrant green body. Its tail feathers are particularly noteworthy, featuring a unique racket-shaped tip, adding to its allure. Preferring wooded habitats, the turquoise-browed motmot is often found in forests, clearings, and edges, where it perches on branches, patiently awaiting its prey. With a diet comprising insects, small vertebrates, and fruits, this species plays a crucial role in the ecosystem's balance, known for its characteristic motmot call. Resembling the sound of a slow hammer hitting a block of wood, these birds are recognized for their distinct vocalizations. They are also skilled diggers, creating burrows in earthen banks for nesting. Despite their captivating beauty, these motmots face threats from habitat loss and fragmentation. Conservation efforts focus on preserving their natural habitats and raising awareness to ensure the continued existence of this captivating species in the wild. The European bee-eater, Merops apiaster, is a captivating and colorful bird that inhabits a broad range across Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. Renowned for its striking plumage, these medium-sized birds boast a kaleidoscope of hues, with a predominantly rich chestnut throat, turquoise crown, and vibrant yellow and black markings on their wings and tail. As their name suggests, European bee-eaters primarily feed on bees and other flying insects. Their hunting technique is both mesmerizing and practical. They perch on high vantage points, such as wires or branches, scanning the air for prey. Once a target is spotted, they perform acrobatic aerial maneuvers, catching insects with their long, slender bills. These migratory birds undertake impressive journeys between their breeding grounds in Europe and wintering areas in Africa. They are known for their distinctive calls, a melodious trill that adds to the charm of their presence. While European bee-eaters are relatively widespread, conservation efforts focus on preserving their nesting habitats, as loss of suitable nesting sites can impact their populations. The vibrant beauty and ecological significance of these birds make them a symbol of biodiversity worth protecting. The hyacinth macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthus, stands as the largest of all parrot species, boasting stunning cobalt blue plumage, a vibrant yellow ring around its eye, and a powerful, curved black beak. Native to Central and Eastern South America, particularly the Amazon basin, this majestic bird inhabits tropical rainforests and savannas. Renowned for its intelligence and remarkable ability to mimic human speech, the hyacinth macaw forms strong bonds with its mate, often maintaining a lifelong monogamous relationship. Despite its striking beauty and engaging personality, the hyacinth macaw faces threats such as habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and hunting. Conservation efforts strive to protect and preserve these magnificent birds. Emphasizing habitat conservation and sustainable management practices. The species' dependence on specific types of palm nuts contributes to its vulnerability, making it crucial to address both immediate threats and long-term ecological sustainability. As ambassadors of the rainforest, hyacinth macaws play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance, making their conservation a matter of global importance. Efforts to safeguard their habitats and combat illegal trade are essential to ensure the continued existence of this extraordinary species. The golden pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus, also known as the Chinese pheasant or rainbow pheasant, is a spectacular and brilliantly colored bird native to the mountainous regions of western China. Its dazzling plumage showcases a kaleidoscope of hues, including deep red, vibrant orange, and shimmering gold, while its long, ornate tail feathers elegantly trail behind. Males exhibit a striking facial mask and crest, further enhancing their regal appearance. Highly prized for their stunning beauty, golden pheasants have been introduced to various parts of the world as ornamental birds. They thrive in wooded areas and grassy slopes, showcasing their vibrant colors as they forage for seeds, fruits, and insects. The species is known for its elaborate courtship displays, during which the male fans out his impressive plumage to attract a mate. While not currently considered endangered, habitat loss and fragmentation pose threats to the golden pheasant population. Conservation efforts focus on preserving their native habitats and ensuring sustainable management practices to maintain the vibrancy of this captivating species in the wild. The American goldfinch, Spinus tristis, is a small, brilliantly colored bird native to North America, renowned for its vibrant yellow plumage and distinctive black wings with white wing bars. During the breeding season, males display a striking bright yellow hue, while females exhibit a more subdued olive yellow tone. In winter, their feathers transition to a duller olive brown, allowing them to blend into their surroundings. These charming songbirds are commonly found in open fields, meadows, and gardens, where they feed on seeds from a variety of plants, with a particular fondness for thistles and sunflowers. Their delightful, undulating flight pattern is often accompanied by a cheerful, twittering song. The American goldfinch is unique among North American finches in that it undergoes a late breeding season, typically timed with the abundance of seeds. Their nests are intricately woven and situated in trees or shrubs. Conservation efforts focus on maintaining suitable habitats and promoting the planting of native plants that provide essential food sources for these colorful birds. Appreciated for both their beauty and melodic contributions, American goldfinches are a cherished and iconic part of North America's avian landscape. The keel-billed toucan, Ramphastos sulphuratus, with its striking and unmistakable appearance, is a charismatic bird inhabiting the tropical forests of Central America, from southern Mexico to Colombia and Venezuela. Renowned for its large, technicolor bill, which showcases a remarkable palette of vivid hues such as green, red, orange, and yellow, this toucan is an iconic representative of the region's biodiversity. These sociable birds are often found in flocks, where their lively calls and vibrant plumage create a lively spectacle in the canopy. Despite their size, the bill is surprisingly lightweight and serves multiple purposes, aiding in reaching fruit on distant branches and regulating body temperature. Keel-billed toucans primarily feed on a diverse diet of fruits, but they also consume insects, eggs, and small vertebrates. Their impressive bill and striking appearance make them a popular subject in indigenous art and a symbol of the rich biodiversity of Central American rainforests. While not currently endangered, habitat loss poses a threat to their populations. Conservation efforts emphasize the preservation of these birds' lush and diverse habitats, promoting sustainable practices to ensure the continued flourishing of the keel-billed toucan in its native ecosystems. The green-cheeked parakeet, Parura malini, a charming and personable parrot species native to South America, has captivated bird enthusiasts worldwide. Exhibiting a predominantly green plumage, these parakeets are adorned with a distinctive red patch on their lower cheeks, enhancing their visual appeal. Endearing and playful, they have become popular pets due to their friendly demeanor and ability to mimic sounds. Originating from the forests of Brazil, Argentina, Bolivia, and Paraguay, green-cheeked parakeets thrive in diverse habitats, including woodlands and savannas. Their diet typically consists of fruits, seeds, and vegetation. Known for their acrobatic antics and social nature, these parakeets form strong bonds with their human companions, often enjoying interactive play. As with many parrot species, habitat loss and capture for the pet trade pose challenges to their wild populations. Responsible breeding and ownership practices, coupled with conservation initiatives, aim to ensure the well-being of both captive and wild green-cheeked parakeets. Appreciated for their lively personalities and vibrant plumage, these parakeets continue to be cherished members of aviculture and the broader community of bird enthusiasts. The sun kana, Aratinga solstitialis, is a dazzling and affectionate parrot species originating from northeastern South America, particularly in the rainforests of Brazil and Guyana. Its name aptly reflects its radiant plumage, dominated by vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and red, resembling the warm hues of a tropical sunrise. Small in size but big in personality, sun kanas are renowned for their playful nature and impressive ability to mimic sounds. These social birds form strong bonds with their human companions and thrive on interaction and mental stimulation. Their playful antics and charming personalities make them popular pets, though responsible ownership is crucial due to their need for socialization and mental enrichment. In their natural habitat, sun kanas forage for fruits, seeds, and nuts. Unfortunately, habitat loss and trapping for the pet trade have led to declining populations in the wild. Conservation efforts emphasize the protection of their native environments and responsible breeding practices. As delightful members of the parrot family, sun kanas continue to capture the hearts of bird enthusiasts around the world. The black-capped chickadee, Poecile atricapillus, is a small, charismatic bird native to North America, recognized for its distinctive appearance and cheerful demeanor. Sporting a black cap and bib, white cheeks, and a grayish back, this songbird is a year-round resident in forests, woodlands, and suburban areas across the continent, renowned for its signature, chickadee-dee-dee call. The black-capped chickadee is known to be a vocal and social species. These birds exhibit a fascinating behavior called chickadee-dee-dee calling, where the number of D notes conveys information about potential threats, contributing to their complex communication system, adaptable and resilient. Black-capped chickadees have a diverse diet, feeding on seeds, insects, and berries. They are particularly fond of sunflower seeds, making them frequent visitors to bird feeders in backyards. These charming birds are celebrated for their resilience in harsh winter conditions, with the ability to lower their body temperature to conserve energy. As a symbol of hardiness and joy, the black-capped chickadee holds a special place in the hearts of birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts across North America.